Most people think snoring it's about being overweight, allergies, or bad genetics. But what nobody knows is that most of the time it's about your sleeping position. When you sleep on your back, your head falls backwards and your mouth opens. When you sleep on your side, snoring usually gets better, but only if your head is supported. If your pillow is too flat, your head sinks. If it's too high, your chin gets pushed down. Either way, your breathing gets harder and snoring stays. And if you're constantly changing positions all night, your head and neck never stay supported. So what is the best position to avoid snoring? The best position is when your head and neck stay in a straight, comfortable line. Your head shouldn't fall backwards and your chin shouldn't be pushed down. When your head and neck are held steady, air can't move in and out easily, so you stop snoring. Comment snoring for me to share more tips like this.